Okay, going on to our next problem, it would be number 7. Today you won a small sweepstakes prize. Your winning will be split into 12 monthly payments of $2,000 starting from today. If the annual rate of return you can get at your bank is 3% compounding monthly, will be made crystal clear in the exam. What is the present value of winning? So present value is PV. So let's lay out our variables. FV is 0 because there's no future value. Rate is 2.5 because the 3% is compounded monthly. You need to divide it by 12, and that is 2.25%. And PR is 12, and PMT is negative 2,000 for the bank. That's cash outflow for the bank, and we put that into PV, and we start with rate and PER, PMT, then PV, and inputting that into the equation, we get $23,614.51. So your answer is C. Moving on to 17, using a different formulas for dividends. We are trying to find 17, using the same variables. So let's lay out our variables. We are trying to find rate here. It'd be negative 875. Our FE is 1,000 because that is our par value. Rate is what we're trying to find. And PER is 40 because we need to multiply by 2 because we're paying semi-annually. And then PMT is 50, but we have to divide 1,000 by 40 and then multiply it by 2 to get our PMT. And we input this into our equation. And we put into our rate equation, which is NPER, PMT, PFV, and FV, and we get 5.8%. But we're not done because we then have to multiply it by 2 because it's semi-annually, and we get 11 point. Whoa. And we get 11.62%, so it'll be D. And then for 20, what is the expected rate of return for this stock? So we have $50 per share, and then our DO, or our dividend, is 2 as stated in the problem. We will calculate this, and then our growth rate is 6%. So to calculate our dividend for year 1, we have to take our dividend for year 0, right, equals, multiply that by 1 plus our growth rate, and that is 2.12. Now that we have our dividend for year 1, we can find our rate of return. So our rate of return, we are going to use another formula, which is our dividend for year 0, for 0 years. And then you multiply that by 1 plus the growth rate. And then you divide that by the price. And then after all of that, you add back your growth rate, and you will get 10.24%.